Hi, it's Natalie from Frequency and Food Wellness, and I'm here today with Lapis Lazuli. Such a beautiful, rich blue piece. Can't wait to share this one with you. This has a blue, deep blue prism bottom, and it has Lapis Lazuli chips and Lapis Lazuli beads. It is a 12-inch pendulum. And Lapis Lazuli is a stone associated with inner vision, truthful communication, and royal virtues. So it's a beautiful, beautiful stone. All right, let's put this pendulum to work. We start with our 45-degree swing. Show us a yes. Nice. All right, 45-degree swing. Show us a no. Stop and a circle swing. Very good. So if you are ready for a new pendulum in your life, consider this beautiful Lapis Lazuli. You will find her in myfrequency.shop.